Hey there, WooCommerce wizards. Ever felt like your shipping setup was, well, totally bananas? Like trying to charge the same flat rate for a feather and a full-size giraffe? If so, you're in the right place. Welcome to the Per Product Shipping course. We're going to help you untangle the shipping chaos and finally charge what's fair and profitable. For every single product in your store, my name is Mike, and this is Sleeker Digital. So, what is per product shipping? It's like giving each product its own shipping superpower. This plugin lets you add product-based shipping costs to existing shipping methods, or set shipping cost without any other method. We'll explore the two modes. Multiple shipping methods, where product shipping costs add onto existing methods, or standalone method. Perfect if you only want product-specific rates. Why is this amazing? Because you're not stuck with generic rates. Got a bulky kayak? A delicate antique? This course will equip you to handle specialized shipping needs. Forget losing money on odd-sized items. It is also useful for products with specialized shipping needs. Over the next 5 lessons, we'll dive deep into setting up per product shipping. You'll learn how to enable the plugin, define cost per product, set per variation rates, import rates via CSV, and configure it as a standalone method or with multiple shipping methods. We'll also explore use cases. You'll see how to charge more for fragile items, oversized items, and to combine it with flat rate. Ready to ditch the shipping headaches and unlock flexible WooCommerce shipping? Let's get started. See you in lesson 1.